Hey there, everybody. Welcome to Indigo River Tiny Homes. I'm Peter. My lovely wife Christina is running the camera. We've got our daughter with us today, Juliana. She helps us out around the shop, and she's going to help us with this tour today. Today we're going to look at our latest project, which is a 10-foot wide by 39-foot long Gooseneck Homesteader Deluxe. And you can see on the outside we did a multi-material exterior. We've got the cedar accent, the cedar trim around the windows. We got the metal accent on the end. Right here we've got the front storage shed. It's got this is the utility closet. It's got the water heater in there, the water filter.
So dark. There we go.
Yeah.
So lots of storage here in the front, and then even more in the back.
Yeah, we'll show that in just a sec. Underneath the gooseneck, we've got the mini split system, so this heats and cools the unit. There's also propane connections. We got our breaker box and our electrical connection under here. And a lot of people kind of close these in with fence pickets or something to make it like an additional storage area. And we'll go on back to the rear of the house here. And we added on a storage shed on the rear. This is a customer request. This is a custom add-on. And we've got a 2-foot wide by 10-foot wide storage shed. It's got shelves on both sides. Lots of extra storage in this space.
All right, you ready to go inside?
Let's go inside, check it out.
Anything else interesting about this exterior
I think there's a lot interesting about this exterior.
that you want to talk about?
Well, we've got the full light door, which most of our customers choose with the blinds between the glass. We always do outswing because those are better for to protect against water infiltration, especially when you don't have a cover over your entry door. We'll step into the kitchen here. And first thing, when we step into the house, we're on a landing here. Underneath the landing, we've got a number of little shoe cubbies. I'm going to go ahead and kick off my shoes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shoe cubbies in this house, which is great because this is a family of 5 that's going to be living here. We've got the dining bar here that will seat 3 people. We've got a bank of drawers, full oven and propane cooktop, and the low profile microwave, which looks great. And it's really cool. Space saver and really functional. Got the popular farmhouse sink, the apron front sink here with the butcher block countertops. Got a pull-out trash can. We've got the upgraded fridge with the drawers on the bottom. This one even has an ice maker in it. And then we also have the pull-out pantries on the end.
Plus one down there,
Yeah.
couple down there.
And then 2 more pull-out pantries in the storage stairs.
Staircase.
If I can speak, drawers and cabinet space as well.
So now you can see all the cubbies. And then this is a pretty big living area.
Yeah, this is a
Gonna do
great.
the Wonder Woman spin.
Yeah, a great living area. You
Lots
do the
of
Wonder Woman
space.
spin in here. They're gonna mount the TV on this wall, have their sofa over here. The fenders for the house came in a little bit, and their sofa was gonna extend past that and have to be pushed back from the wall. So we added a little extra storage behind the couch for some pillows and blankets and things.
I'll get the dining bar. So see how it overhangs, and then there's storage.
Yeah, there's cabinet doors here as well. That's the back. It looks like a cabinet door, but it's really the back side of the bank of drawers. But there is extra storage back there as well.
All right.
Ready to go upstairs?
Yeah, let's go check out the master and one of the bedrooms. One of the secondary sleeping spaces.
So you can come up here, and the first sleeping space we've got is in this little nook here. We've got the step up here to help get into the space.
We'll go ahead and Juliana's waiting.
Hi there.
Tell us what you think about this house.
Okay, yeah, I love I think, my favorite room.
Oh yeah?
Because it's just so sweet and tiny. I like it. Oh, do you want me to
Nice.
do this?
Just talk loud.
Yeah. This is really. I like how like
That's
spacious
cute.
this
Yeah.
is, and like this
It's
door
pretty
is
pretty
like,
deep, huh?
Yeah.
What is that, like 18 inches deep? I don't know. It's pretty
Yeah, it goes pretty far back. Yeah, and this is a twin size mattress.
Yeah.
Right, yeah. And even though it looks small, it's pretty spacious.
Yeah, you got plenty of room to sit up, and this is where brother's room is going to be, and then the sisters are across the way. So Juliana's going to show us that in a second. Here's the master bedroom over the gooseneck. So we got lots of floor space here to walk around both sides of the bed.
Yeah,
three sides of the bed.
Yeah, we've got a couple of feet on each side of the bed with full wardrobes, half hanging with 3 deep drawers below, as well as storage above the head of the bed there. And then we also have the pop-up storage bed.
Nice.
It doesn't rattle like that
space.
when the mattress is on there. It helps hold all that down. But the underneath here, you could fit about. Did you get a shot underneath?
Yeah, it's like 6 storage bins.
At least 6.
At least.
Yeah,
Those
if
big
not
ones.
9.
Yeah.
And then the mini split system keep this area cool because having these divided off spaces it's difficult to maintain the airflow and keep the separate areas cool. So this one has its own dedicated.
So that's why we have the room-to-room fan there, and then we've got one. You can see it across the way. It goes into that loft too. So we'll make our way over there in a minute. Well, first we'll show the bathroom. I didn't get my shoes into the cubby.
All right, we'll open the pocket door here. Go into the bathroom area.
So the laundry cove, plus that's where the puppy dog's bed is gonna go. Got a pretty vanity.
With some nice storage drawers underneath.
Yeah, those are really big drawers. And then regular flush toilet for these guys. Lots of storage here. And a nice towel job. How big is this shower?
It is 5 feet wide by 32 inches deep front to back.
So here's their shower. And then a pretty glass door. So
And we'll go up
Juliana's
and
going to
check
show us the other loft. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sleeping areas in this house, right? Correct? The master plus 3 twin size. Well, here, let me just, you scoot back and. So just talk loud. So this is one side.
This is one side. I like this big window here. That's my favorite part of this room, and I like the white. It's very nice.
And this has a divider with storage so that siblings can have privacy. Juliana's going to show us the other side.
And then there's the other side. We got the light. I love those lights. They're
Yeah.
nice. And then right over here, we have the room-to-room fan. That's what it's called.
So yeah, it's not too stuffy up here. What do you think?
I like it.
All right.
There you go.
Thanks, Juliana.
You're welcome.
All right, well, thanks for tuning in. We hope you like our homes, and we hope you buy one from us. Did you show the double fan? We got to get that in there, too.
We had a hard time sourcing those for a little bit, but now we got some.
Yeah, they're great for airflow because you can direct one into the loft spaces and one down into the living spaces, so it really helps keep the airflow going in these tiny houses. So we hope you love it, and if you do, like it and subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time. We love you. Bye-bye.
Thanks, y'all.
And now you've got yourself something funky.